Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, you farm tip EPOCH1. EPOCH1 is live. You can now claim your airdrop. So stay tuned while I walk you through on how to claim your airdrop. So they actually make this tweet. You can actually see that this is 19 minutes ago. So this is the contract address. So I'll be leaving this contract address now on this video description. Do you understand? So when you on how to claim now, you need to copy this contract address. So when you copy the contract address now, you paste it, like you add this token to your wallet. So let me just copy it and then I'll show you how to do that. So first of all, you copy the contract address. So I've copied it. So I'll be leaving it on this video description. Do you understand? So I will go to our wallet now. So I'm using my BitKeep. You can use your MetaMask. That very wallet that you submitted during wallet submission, that's what you're actually going to use. So I need to add this token now to my wallet so that I can be able to claim my airdrop. So if you're using MetaMask, you will see something below here, like upload something like that on how to, how to like get it. I'm going to open MetaMask and show you like that. Like you see import token somewhere here, you click on it, like you paste the contract address. So I'm using BitKeep, so I'm going to click on manage token management. So I'll paste the contract address. So if you are using BitKeep, you can do the same. Do you understand? But if you're using MetaMask, I'm going to show you. So here is it. I'm going to search it. So this is ratio now. You understand? I'm going to click on this plus sign. So for those using MetaMask, I'm going to show you how to do that. So I'll just click on it. I've added it successfully. Do you understand? So here is ratio. Do you see that? It's trading at 0.001, something like that. So for those using MetaMask, let me show you how to add this contract address so that you can be able to see your token when you claim it. Okay, for those using MetaMask, for you to import it, you click on import token. Do you see that? So when you click on it, to upload it, you click on custom. Do you understand? Then you paste the contract address. So when you paste the contract address, you allow it to load. Do you understand? You give it some time. It's actually going to pop up. It's actually going to bring out the coin, like it's going to bring out the project name here. Do you understand? Everything. So when you paste it, you give it some time, it's actually going to show up. Do you understand? So let's give it a little time. So guys, after some time, this will show up. Do you understand? You click on import. Do you understand? You click on import. Do you understand? So when you click on import, now let's click on import and show you. It's actually going to show on my wallet. I'm actually using this exact wallet now is one I'm actually using to claim. Do you understand? Just that it's actually on MetaMask. I prefer using BitKeep based on it's actually fast and all that. So do you understand? So this is ratio. So we are actually going to go back now to Twitter and copy the claim link. I'm also going to leave that claim link on this video description. Do you understand? So guys, I'm back on Twitter. So I'm going to copy that address now. That this one, they say EPOCH1 claim is live, like ratio EPOCH1 claim. You can see that they say for those who have submitted their wallet during EPOCH1, you can claim your ratio token here. Do you understand? So we copy this link now and paste it on our browser. Do you understand? If you are using Mesos browser and all that, you know how to import your token. Do you understand? So we copy this link now. So I'm going to copy it. You understand? Copied the link. So I've copied the link. Here is my wallet. I'll click on the app, paste the link. You understand? I'll paste it. Then we go to claim. and let's see what it brings out. You understand? Stay tuned. Please give this video a thumbs up, share this video so that others can also benefit from it. If you have not subscribed, if this is your first time of seeing my video here in this channel, we'll talk about how to make money online through cryptocurrency without spending a dime. So if you have not subscribed, do wait to scroll down to my channel. There are other important videos that you're also going to benefit from, and also subscribe. So here is it. You see, tweet to claim. So claim your airdrop now. Your tweet, your airdrop will be instantly delivered to your wallet upon claim. You can claim your airdrop below. So I'm going to tweet to claim this now. Do you see that? So let's just make this tweet. You see, I just claim 10,000 blah 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 ratio. Check EPOCH2 ratio. So I'll click on this tweet now. Do you understand? So I've just made a tweet. You say your tweet was sent. Did you see that? So I'm going to go back to my wallet now. So click on this claim button. Do you understand? So you must tweet before you can claim your airdrop if you have already tweeted. Do you see that? So I'm going to click on claim again. I don't know. Do you see what it shows us? Please wait a couple minutes and refresh this page before trying to claim. Do you understand? So let's just give it a few minutes and then click on claim again. So guys, so when you make that tweet, you click on this claim. Let me show you. So when you click on claim now, so this interface will show up. You select your wallet. If you are not using the app, do you understand? So I was having issues, so I had to use another browser. I decided to use a browser. Sorry. So you select your wallet, then you put your password. You understand? So I was using the app, but it was giving me issues. So I had to switch to browser. You understand? So when you click on that, you sign in your wallet. So I'm waiting for it to pop up. So guys, so when you click on it, this thing is actually going to pop up. Then you click on approve. So when you click on approve, this interface will now show up where you're actually going to click on confirm. But since yesterday I've been trying to claim my airdrop, but you can see the gas fee. Before it was actually $10, so I was actually like waiting for it to drop to like $5 or so that I can claim my reward, but it keep on going up. So it's actually like $21 now. And to think that, I don't think that my airdrop like we want that $21, so I'll have to give it time. So when you want to claim it and this keeps showing up, there's big if the gas fee is high, so just give it time. Do you understand? Then allow it to, with time it's actually going to drop. You know how this Ethereum gas fee can be. So guys, that's just it. So you click on confirm. Like if you want to claim yours, if you have that enough gas fee and you want to claim yours, I advise you to claim it because ratio has not been listed on some exchange. Do you understand? So guys, ratio has not been listed on some many exchanges, so it actually went live. You can swap on Pancake and all that. So I advise you, if you have fun, if you have enough gas fee, just claim your airdrop so that when they will list it on those exchanges, it will pump. And remember that once they list it now, the two of them are actually like, it's a social fee, so they will be having competition, so it's likely to go blow up. But this is not a financial advice. So guys, if you have enough gas fee, I advise you to claim your airdrop, but this is not a financial advice. So this is not a financial advice. So that'll be all for now, guys. Thanks for watching. So once I claim my airdrop, I'm actually going to show you guys, so stay tuned. Bye. Thanks for watching.